George Ngige, I'm service manager for NYMAX. I've worked for the Domino brand, represented by formerly Spicer, then Wickman, now NYMAX. Yeah, now the service manager here, I'm just a technical person, probably 15 plus years. My typical day at NYMAX as service manager, I arrive in the morning, I coordinate with the technical team. If there have any challenges anywhere from the previous jobs, we go through them, we plan ahead. I talk to the customer care if there are any issues from other customers. I check with the sales team if they need any support. And after that, we can plan who will take which job. The support is based on phone. You do it in 30 minutes. If you can't sort that on phone, you have to send somebody in 24 hours in person support. The balance between the managing and the service, I think just coordination between my team, technical team. We are in constant communication, and even when I'm not here, I follow up what they're doing. Our service motto is peace of mind. When the customer is with our machine, they have peace of mind. They don't have to worry about breakdowns or something is amiss. It's peace of mind of